Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Samsung camera icon missing on home screen on any Samsung phone. Now, if you cannot find the camera app on your home screen or in the app drawer on your Samsung phone, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to home screen and tap on hide apps on home and app screen. Now, under the hidden apps section, if you find the camera app, just tap on the minus icon, then select done. Now, once you do that, if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer, you will find the camera app in your app drawer. Now, to bring it to the home screen, just tap and hold on the camera app. Now, just drag it down, and from here, you can bring the camera app to your home screen. And this is how you can fix Samsung camera icon missing on home screen on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.